Most entrepreneurs would love to have a restaurant so successful they couldn't seat everyone who wanted to eat there. At the Lost Kitchen in Maine, chef and owner Aaron French decided the first-come, first-served method with online reservations wasn't working, and is making their new reservation system old school with a little bit of luck. Serving farm-fresh new American cuisine, the Lost Restaurant seats 40 patrons in a renovated 19th-century building. For the 2018 season, Chef French has decided to take reservation requests via postcards that will then be selected at random to fill the empty tables. One of the restaurant's all-female staff will call the lucky diners chosen to experience the Lost Restaurant's menu. In case you've forgotten how snail mail works, the restaurant's website spells it out for you. You will need a 3x5 note card, an envelope, a postage stamp. The Lost Restaurant says, "Our process takes a little time, a little energy, a little patience, and a little hope. If you can't get a reservation, you can always get the cookbook and try the recipes at home."